family, how you guys doing today? I the Hero Milky Tech, and today we're gonna take a look at the Sifley X smart lock. Let's get this done. Shout out to Sifley for sending me out their X series smart lock and hub so that I can take a look at it and give you guys a review. This smart lock here has a lot of features and it is very versatile. You can use it with almost any kind of usage. Whether if you want to have a private door in your home, switch out one of the locks outside, to Airbnb and rental. This smart lock addresses a lot of the safety and conveniences that people look for in a smart lock. It has a lot of features with many different ways of access. But before we continue, guys, if you guys enjoy the type of content, smash that subscribe button. It helps the channel out a lot. It helps us grow so that we continue bringing you guys great content. Our goal is to change the statistic over here, boost up the number of subscribers watched. So smash that subscribe button, and once we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a giveaway, guys. So hit that subscribe and bring a friend. So let's take a look at some of the features of this smart lock. This smart lock can be accessed in multiple different ways. You can have up to 150 different fingerprints stored on it. Passcodes, up to 200 different passcodes. So it's very, very unique. You got the 2 RF cards that are included. It has 2 backup physical keys, so if battery ever dies on it, you can still have access, and full app control. It is Google Assist and Alexa enabled, so that's really a 7th different way to access this lock. It has a feature where it's auto locks, so if you accidentally forget to lock, it'll automatically lock. So you don't have to worry about that security issue. The fingerprint scanner on it is a pretty impressive scanner. It's a 4th gen scanner, and it unlocks the door in 0.3 seconds. That is quick. Now this lock, Bluetooth only, so you can't really control over the Wi-Fi. So in order to get the Wi-Fi features, you will need their gateway, and this is their Gateway G2. The installation of this lock is super easy. All you'll need is just a Phillips screwdriver. You know, drill required, but if you want to go faster, use a drill. And lastly, it is powered by 4 AA batteries. So let's take a look at these products. So let's take a look at the packaging for the lock itself. You got the brand name and the lock in the front, and nothing much anywhere else. And let's take a look at the gateway box. You got a picture of the gateway, some of the specs on here. In the G2 model, it's a 70 by 70 by 26 millimeter dimensions. It works on Wi-Fi 2.4G, so you cannot connect this to a 5 gigahertz. It has to be at a 4 gigahertz bandwidth. It works on 802.11b, G and N, and it's powered by USB Type-C. So let's unbox with this one and then move on to the lock. Check this out. No tape. I like that. Here's a gateway. It is nice. Let's put it aside. Our USB Type-C charge cable and the user guide. So here is the gateway. The USB Type-C power interface is right there. Indicator light and some of the specs that are mentioned on the box here. All right, now for the lock. All right, so looks like we're greeted with a quick starter guide and our manual. I like this foam packaging. It does not crash and gives adequate support. The lock, one side of it, and the other side of the lock. The mounting bracket for it. Desiccant, do not eat, not taste snack. A goodie box, and that's about it. All right, let's see what's in our goodie box. Our 2 key fobs. Oh, this is pretty cool. It tells you what step, what screw is used on. This makes the installation super easy, really. And they give you backup screws. That's awesome. Pretty cool. 2 laser cut keys. And the strike. Alright, so let's go over the lock itself. On the front of the lock, we have the handle, fingerprint reader, keypad, where we scan our card. And on the top is where we put in our key. It comes out, it is weatherproof, and it has a micro USB where the key slides in. So if you want to lock it without anything, you just grab the key, put that in here, lock, fail. Keep it like that for now. And over here, there is a serial code up here, power cord, and where it mounts to. And here it tells you if you want to put it on the right hand or left hand side, how it should look. All right, so this is the other side. This is where the batteries fit, where the power comes out and feeds into the other side, and where to line everything up. Nothing but a nice rubber mount over here. And lastly, this is the cover that fits on here, like so. And that pops out. You have access for the reset, change the batteries, the handle itself, and to screw it on so it doesn't fall off. And here's where the speaker is. All right, so let's go put this together. First you want to do is you want to remove the old doorknob. Next thing is you want to install all the new bits and pieces, and you want to install this part here first. Now, it is already screwed in, and sometimes when you try to screw in new screws, it might just spin. So we don't want that. What I do is I get like a toothpick, and I just put it in there, and I just break it off. Sometimes you might have extra little pieces. Squeeze it in so you can have a nice tight fit. Now we'll put this in. Make sure that this piece is, since the door closes this way, it's closest with the door. Grab your screw and just... Now that we have the latch installed, it's time to put the outside unit. Since it's going to be a right-handed, from the inside we'll use our right hand to open it. We need to lock it in place. So I'll just put the screw right here, screw it in, and now it's locked in rotation. Alright, next we're going to do the same thing with the outside unit. Since it's going to be left-handed on the outside, there's another screw we have to put right there to lock it in place. There we go. And now we're just going to feed this little latch. Through here, through the screws. Let's do the other side. Now let's put the battery pack. Feed that cable through here. Everything through here like so. Now it does come with two different screw sizes, so it all depends on the thickness of your door. Since this door is not that thick, use a shorter one. Put in the screws. First you're going by hand, and then with a drill or a screwdriver. While that is connected, we're going to connect our power cable and try to feed it back in here. And now let's put this piece back in. Alright. This side works. Now let's test this side. As you can see, it's not working. That's because it's locked. Let's unlock it. Unlock position, and now it's unlocked. You can't put the key out, so do all your testing, then unlock the door, then you can pull the key out. Now let's put some batteries in and set up the app. Alright, so now let's download the Sifley app. Let's go to the App Store, Sifely. Let's install it. Alright, open it up. Agree to the EULA. And now, if you don't have an account, register an account. Alright, so now notifications. I'm gonna ask you to do some stuff. And now we need to be within 2 meters of the lock.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
There's the lock.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
Let's try that again.
Adding administrator successful.
There we go. See? And let's give it a name. There we go. Tells you how much battery we have. We're gonna unlock it.
Unlocked.
We got it. It's unlocked now. We can use it.
Locked.
Now it's locked.
Unlocked.
Cool. Now you can add passcodes.
Locked.
So let's add a passcode. And let's do a custom. And let's add a code. And there we go. My code worked. Add a fingerprint. That's my fingerprint. Alright. And it's fingerprint ready. Now, if you want to add an RFID, you can do that. I'm not going to, but you can do that if you wanted to. Alright, so let's set up the gateway. And it's super easy. All you have to press is the 3 tab on the top. Then scroll down to gateway, press add, select G2, hit next, find your gateway, select it, and just let it pair. And that's it. And there you guys have it, the Sifley X smart lock. It's very easy to install and it has a plethora of features with multiple ways of accessing the lock, whether it is by app, Wi-Fi, smart assistant, key, fingerprint, RFID key, or a simple pin. The installation is very easy. It's just like installing any other lock. First you take off the old lock and then you just slap it together. And the instructions that are included with this smart lock is super easy to follow. So you should be able to have this up and running within 10-15 minutes. It is an easy install. And guys, remember, the link for this product is in the description below. Also, setting up the gateway is also super easy. You just plug it in the same app, just click on add a gateway, and it just automatically adds everything together, just like that. And yeah, I definitely recommend this product. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, what's good, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.